Alright, full tutorial, everything that I could possibly come up with on how to build a site similar to Bankrate that basically gives recommendations and reviews on things like credit cards and other finance stuff. Now, if you just wanted to do like a simple comparison database that people could filter and sort and do a bunch of different stuff with, Airtable is going to be your best bet. You can embed it on any web page, very, very easy to use. It's just like Google Sheets on steroids, and so it's really, really good at displaying data in this really smooth, sexy, awesome way. But Bankrate, if we're specifically trying to copy Bankrate, from what I was able to tell, bankrate.com, I think that's the website, is it thrives on SEO. So it's going to be the reason that people rely on it and find it is it has individual articles that really go into the nitty-gritty of why this credit card or why this financial product is best in these circumstances. And so if you're really, really trying to go for that like long-form content of serious reviews for stuff like financial products and credit cards, you're going to want a website builder that works really well with SEO and article formats. And Webflow is one of those website builders. So I've built a few different sites on Webflow, and here is the backend system. So I have a bunch of tutorials, I have some TikToks, but I have templates. I have this big template search site that you can go and you can search through templates. And this is what these individual like templates look like. But inside each of these, I have content, right? I have content that forms into an article, and so I can go to each of these individual little sections in the database, and I can find that content. I can sort it and organize it in this big series of sortable blocks, right? And that's going to be pretty similar if you're doing this with financial products. You're going to let people search and sort and look up individual reviews of individual products. Now, building that kind of structure where people can just look through a series of blocks or articles or templates or things like that is really, really easy on Webflow. It's very, very much built for that, displaying an organized set of data if you have a lot of different items, and each of those individual items can be customized really, really neatly, connected to the backend database for SEO. So in terms of being found on Google and organizing all of that like deep in-depth review data, Webflow is going to be fabulous for that, and that's most of, I think, what I saw on Bankrate. Another thing I wanted to mention for you is JetBoost. JetBoost is what I used to create those little buttons that you saw on my Webflow site that let you sort and create like a search bar and things like that. Those functions aren't native to Webflow. There's other tools you could use, but they're less good at SEO. So you connect JetBoost to Webflow. It's super easy. It just walks you through it. No code, no programming. And then you can add search bars, you can add sorters, you can add buttons and filtering systems to that big database so users can more easily find the information that you're looking for. But pretty much with Webflow and JetBoost, or if you want a really simple comparison database, Airtable, you should be able to build something like Bankrate.